I am 𝘁𝗶𝗴𝘆, and for the month of October, here at Superior Performance, we're partnering up to fight low voltage problems. You come in and for $29.99, we'll check your battery, the voltage of your battery, your alternator output under load and not loaded. We'll even protect your battery so that the Joker and the Riddler can't riddle you with starting problems so you can get to work on time. Yes, come. Superior Performance, this is Jason. How can I help you this morning? Yes, we do offer battery protective services. Yeah, they're actually on special all month long. Come see me. Yeah, 429 Industrial Drive in Wendell. Thank you so much. I've got to keep my identity secret, but don't forget, for the month of October, we can take care of all your battery, alternator, starter, and charging system needs. Come see us at Superior Performance. 𝘁𝗶𝗴𝘆 out.
Bat problems.
Yeah, it's probably the weekly numbers.